Welcome to Domino Effect Lab Ads. The world of search has shifted, and we are the premier agency for generative engine optimization, or GEO. Don't just rank on a list. Be the answer in AI search. The search revolution is here. Users are now asking complex questions instead of typing keywords. If you are not optimized for AI, you risk becoming invisible, as traditional search volume is predicted to drop significantly by 2026. What is generative engine optimization? While traditional SEO competes for clicks, GEO competes for trust. We optimize your digital footprint so that AI models cite your brand as the primary authority in their answers. We are Domino Effect Lab Ads, and we bridge the critical gap between technical data and human relevance. Our mission is to empower brands to control their narrative in the age of artificial intelligence. Our four-phase methodology starts with discovery, auditing your current AI visibility. Next is content restructuring, where we optimize assets for large language model readability. Then, deployment, where we seed your brand authority, followed by continuous optimization of your AI sentiment. We offer tailored solutions for every stage. Foundation includes the audit and strategy blueprint. Growth involves monthly content engineering and citation building. Finally, domination features full-scale thought leadership and competitive monitoring. The Domino Effect advantage is that we were built for this shift. We combine data science, PR, and technical SEO to ensure you control the conversation. We don't just follow the algorithm, we influence it. The future of search is already here. Don't let AI decide your story for you. Visit dominoeffectlabads.com today to book your free AI visibility audit. Let's make you the